Thank you, everybody. So I would speak for FECO in case of patient of PSEG with early cataract.
Please speak a bit louder.
I have no financial interest in this topic.
No, Dr. Debashish, we can't hear you. Please speak louder.
Am I audible, sir?
Now you're audible.
Now it is better.
Okay. So I can think of three scenarios. One is a patient with recently diagnosed PSEG and early cataract. So here the options are between FECO and LPI. Or we can have a patient with PSEG status post SPI with early cataract where the IOP is controlled. Here the options are between FECO or FECO-TRAV versus continuum medical treatment. Or we can have a patient PSEG status post PSEG with early cataract, but the IOP is not controlled. Here I can think of FECO or FECO-TRAV versus trabeculectomy. We'll see each of these situations. First of all, PSEG and early cataract. Here the conventional option is LPI. However, FECO is advocated instead of LPI in some recent studies. Various studies have shown that lens extraction surgery is a recognized management approach and often associated with the reduction in IOP and widening of the anterior chamber angle. And the objective evidence to this is got from the anterior segment OCT images, which show significant increase in the anterior chamber angle parameters. We must mention the EAGLE study here. So it was a large randomized controlled trial which compared CLE with LPI. And although there was only a modest difference in IOP after 3 years of follow-up in favor of CLE, there was a considerable reduction in need for further medications or glaucoma surgery and better quality of life after CLE compared with LPI. So LPI has been the standard initial approach for angle closure disease, but it is not free from complications. Cataract progression has been reported in patients after LPI, particularly among females, older patients, and patients with diabetes. And other potential complications include endothelial cell damage, IOP spikes, anti-uveitis, pigment dispersion, and hyphema. Also, there is no guarantee that a PSEG will not progress after LPI. Up to 1/3 of angles have been shown to not open following laser peripheral iridotomy. Let's come to the second scenario where PI has already been done, patient has early cataract, and the IOP is controlled with treatment. Here, we can continue the medical treatment, but FECO will also be beneficial in many patients. Why? It will tackle the cataract, it will control IOP better, may reduce the number of medications, make subsequent follow-up examination easier because there's no fear of rise of IOP after dilatation, and the patients will have better perimetry and OCT. And there is definite clue that some patients will definitely improve after lens extraction. Like if the anterior segment OCT shows a high lens vault, the lens vault we know is the perpendicular distance between the anterior pole of the lens and the back of the cornea. If this distance is more than 1/3 of the perpendicular distance between the back of the cornea and the line joining the scleral spur, these patients have high lens vault and they are shown to have the lens is the major cause of angle closure in this patient. And IOP lowering after FECO has been known. Up to 2 to 12 millimeter of mercury reduction of IOP can occur. The last scenario is patient with advanced PI has been done cataract. So here the option is between TRAV or FECO and FECO-TRAV. TRAV will be more suitable in open angle glaucoma with minimal or no cataract. It may or may not control the IOP well if the lens plays a major role. TRAV will hasten the cataract, and post-trabeculectomy complications like shallow AC and aqueous misdirection will be very difficult to manage in a phakic eye. On the other hand, FECO or FECO-TRAV will open up the angle and lower IOP, will definitely improve vision to some extent. FECO will also eliminate the need of a subsequent cataract surgery, which may jeopardize the blade. There is less incidence of shallow AC and aqueous misdirection, and easier to manage these complications if it occurs. To conclude, there is irrefutable role of lens in angle closure disease. FECO increases the antechamber depth and reduces the IOP, and has several other advantages. Therefore, FECO is helpful in all stages of angle closure. Thank you.